Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video I'm going to introduce this platform to you guys that offers a free global eSIM with a free data package. And the best part is you do not need to input any form of payment method in order to get access to this eSIM and the data package. And moreover, you can use this data eSIM to browse from anywhere in the world because it's a global eSIM. So anywhere you are in the world, if you have access to this eSIM, you can browse locally in your country. So if you like content and updates like this, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update when we drop it. Now let's get into the tutorial. The name of the platform is called Eskimo and it's available for download on iOS and Android. So make sure you download it onto your device. After a successful download, go ahead and open the app. Tap on the login button at the top right corner. Tap on the sign up button to create a new account. Choose your preferred sign up method. I will go with the Google option. Now I want you to enter your first name and your last name in the spaces provided. After doing that, enter this gift code. I'll leave it in the description and tap on apply. Now the gift code you just entered or applied on your account is going to give you access to a 1 GB data package for free that you can use to browse from anywhere in the world. Now tap on the complete sign up button to create your account. Now when you see the notification permission, you can either allow notifications or skip it depending on your preference. When you see this pop up on your screen, it gives you the opportunity to refer a friend so you both enjoy 1 GB of data. That is, you will get 1 GB of data when you refer a friend, and your friend also using your code will also get 1 GB of data. So it's basically a win-win situation with no downside. So try and refer as many friends as you can so you can enjoy more free data. Now it's time to install our eSIM so that we can start browsing using this data eSIM. Tap on this button over here. Over here on this page, you are given 3 options in order to install your eSIM. There's the direct option, there's the QR code option, and then there's the manual option. So feel free and go with whichever option is suitable or favorable for you. They all come with instructions for you to follow, so make sure you follow the instructions and you will be able to install your eSIM on your device. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go with the direct option. Tap on the install eSIM button. When this permission pops up, tap on the allow button. Tap on continue. Tap on done. Give your new eSIM a custom label, or you can stick to the default label provided. Choose your default line for calls and messages. Choose your cellular plan you want to use for your iMessages and your FaceTime and tap on continue. Choose the default line for data eSIM and tap on continue. And just like that, you have successfully installed your Eskimo data eSIM onto your mobile device. Now there's just a couple of settings we need to do before you can start using it. So head over to your settings, tap on cellular. Locate the eSIM you just installed and tap on it. Now if you take note, your network selection has already connected to one of the local networks in the region that you are in. Mine is displaying Telecel because here in Ghana, Telecel is one of the local networks that we have. So Eskimo's data eSIM connected to a Telecel cell tower to provide me with internet. Okay, now I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi connection so that I can proceed with the next steps. Turn on low data mode. keep in mind that this is optional. You don't need to use low data mode if you don't want to. And last but not least, turn on data roaming. Now, this is not optional. You need to turn on data roaming before you can use the internet in that region. Okay, so after you are done with all that settings, you can turn on your cellular data on your mobile device and you can start browsing the internet. Now, as you can see, it turned on successfully. Eskimo's data eSIM is on. So let's go ahead and browse the internet. So I'm opening YouTube to just watch a video shortly. And as you can see, the video is streaming well, the internet is working, and everything is working smoothly. Now, if you want to keep an eye on your data package, all you have to do is head over to the Eskimo app. Make sure you are on the data section of the Eskimo app and you will be able to keep an eye on how much data you have remaining as you use it. And like I said, if you want more data, all you have to do is keep referring your friends to use the platform by giving them your referral code, and you will be able to stockpile as much data as you want and you'll be able to keep using it for free. So if you found this video useful, please make sure to leave me a like, turn on notifications so you do not miss the next update, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.